it's toastable, I think. So I'm gonna do a bit of sardines on toast for tea on Christmas night. Just like, it's like proper bedsit stuff, this, isn't it, really? But we'll see what happens. Alright, don't they? They're packed in there like sardines, look. Yes, let's do that. Come on. So, flip the thing. Hope you like the untiled wall. Stick this on. Stick it on full whack. Filthy. Look at that pan. That's disgusting, isn't it? Tell I live alone. Let's stick that in. Let's mash the sardines up. Because they're going to fall off the toast, aren't they? They're going to roll off the toast. You're going to mash it all up like this, which is really nice. I guess you could tart it up a little. I always like a bit of spice in my life, you know, as you do. Yeah, and a bit of Tabasco, the last of the Tabasco sauce actually, so chuck that in there like that, a bit of Tabasco. And a bit of piperde, as we say in Wales, black pepper. Just a bit of flavour. To be honest with you, I can't remember what sardines actually taste like, you know. See what I like to do. A bit of clover, get it off. Bloody hell. Jesus God. That's a big wodge of clover, that. Yeah, so what I like to do is, the toast is done on one side, and I'm going to use my knife, or clover it I should say. So, stick that on there, nice bit of butter on both pieces of toast, and stick them back into the grill so it like, kind of melts it. So you're eating half bread, half toast, if you know what I mean. French toast perhaps. Okay, so stick these back under the grill there. Okay. Wash out your sardine tin for the recycling bin so it doesn't stink. Ow! Fuck, that's hot. You're going to do the toast just. See, you can hear it bubbling there already, you see. Nice. Girl's getting nice and hot now, so yeah. Here you go. Get some sardines on your toast. Nice. I was going to put cheese on it, but I'm going to make a massive broccoli cheese tomorrow. My own sauce kind of thing, so I'm going to save the cheese till then because it's Boxing Day tomorrow, and yeah, so I've got guests around as well, so I'll tell one thing I do remember about doing sardines is this, watch. Fish fingers. Let's stick them under the grill. Ow, 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 ow. There we go. There's one. There's two, and stick them in literally for just a couple of minutes, really. So, and it's going to be lovely. It's going to be sardines on toast. Ah, kid. But this is, yeah, this is going to be. I'm only 58. So yeah, before the smoke alarms go off, we better get out. You see the smoke coming out of there? Look at that. There she is. Beautiful. Sardines on toast. Let's turn that off. Leave the grill door slightly open because it lets heat into the room, and it's pretty cold in here. So yeah. So anyway, let me tell you about my Louder Than War radio show. This week is going to be a year in review, really. Not the best of the year, but the pick of the year, because there's an awful lot of bands I've played over the year on my hourly show every week, and so there's not a lot of room to fit not all of them in, but I'm just doing a pick of them really. So got about 20 bands to play yet, and they're all really good, like Punitive Damage and Mysteries of Sin. Who else have we got? Crapsons, of course, you know, and all these kind of bands as well, so it's going to be a good show as well, so make sure you tune in Monday 10 PM. I'm now going to eat this. Shall I eat it like a celebrity chef? Go. Right. Sardines on toast. Proper bedsit food. That is a bedsit recipe. Probably cost you around about 70p, I guess. Cheers. Bon appetit.